province of Asia, Phrygia, Pamphylia, Egypt, and other areas of Libya around Cyrene, visitors from Rome, both Jews and converts.
11, verse 20, but some of them were men from Cyprus and Cyrene, who when they had come to Antioch spoke to teachers, Barnabas, Simeon, who was called Niger, Lucius of Cyrene, Manaen, who'd been brought up with Herod the Tetrarch, and Saul.
Yeah, how about, Cyrene, if I can ask you a question. How did you start to grow on Snapchat? There's no discovery platform, there's no way
discovery platform.
They could strap something on your back and say, carry this for me, and you'd have to. You remember Simon of Cyrene carrying the cross for Jesus? That's exactly what it was. When he
Asia, Phrygia and Pamphylia, Egypt and the parts of Libya near Cyrene, visitors from Rome, both Jews and converts to.
As they led Jesus away, they came upon a man of Cyrene, Simon by name, who was coming.